Oh, oh, dude, it's chunky. Oh, oh, shit. Oh my God. 3 cans of block sealer for the leaky head gaskets. It was his repair.
That's a 1973 Bronco with a 351 engine in it. Less than 2 miles on the engine. With an EFI carburetor. And what we found out to be was a 302 cam in a 351. Which is why in this video here she's misfiring. And after resolving the firing order issue, went to address the head gasket leaking issue as what was thought to be somebody who used copper gasket spray on a brand new head gasket. Dan just pulled this block apart, the heads off, and straight edged the inside and outside edges of the heads, and found out that it's about 4 or 5 thousandths off on the leading edge. So he's taking that to the machine shop to get checked out right now. They did a good job building this engine, but they just didn't seem to follow the procedures properly. So this is just a note to everybody out there: make sure you deck everything, make sure you follow the torque sequences. And another note on head gasket sealers: this one turned out to be what appeared to be that Blue Devil there. This one's pour and go. It can go in with antifreeze. This one's fiber lock. It can go in with antifreeze, and I've had success with that one. This one, this Blue Devil right here, see on the back here it says, make sure that you flush the system out and clean it and remove the thermostat. Follow these procedures very carefully. If you add this into anything that's got antifreeze in it, you will see exactly what happened at the beginning of this video. And you'll be pulling out your radiator, your heater core, and flushing your block out. So make sure you read the directions carefully, follow all procedures.